Amidst the relentless downpour of a Seattle street, Stephen and Maria share laughter and an umbrella, their bond shimmering brighter than the rain. The constant Seattle rain serves as the backdrop to their childhood, where friendship blossoms like wildflowers in a storm. The umbrella becomes a symbol of their camaraderie, shielding them from the storm as they navigate the path home. Beneath the benevolent gaze of an ancient maple, 16-year-old Stephen and Maria entwine their destinies, sunlight weaving through leaves in a dance of youthful hope. Their hands meet, a silent promise exchanged in the gentle embrace of first love. Narrator. This scene marks the blossoming of their first love. In the bustling coffee shop, a palpable distance stretches between Stephen and Maria, their youthful connection strained by diverging paths. Stephen's animated tales of architectural dreams in California meet Maria's forced smile, a mask concealing unspoken truth. The vibrant energy of the coffee shop serves as a stark backdrop to the quiet unraveling of their shared history, a poignant reminder of lives drifting apart. Years later, Maria walks alone on a rain-slicked Seattle street, where the shimmering reflections of streetlights dance in the puddles. A wave of wistful memories washes over Maria as she pauses, her expression mirroring the melancholy of the relentless rain. In a moment of stark realization, Maria confronts the relentless passage of time and the chasm that has grown between her and Stephen. Beneath the bare maple tree, Maria stands in quiet contemplation, a sad smile hinting at memories of love and loss. The stark branches of the maple reach towards the sky, nearing the bittersweet passage of time and the enduring echo of a love now gone. In the stillness of Maria's backyard,